Welcome to the Rage component upload tutorial. After signing into the portal, you can go to the content menu and select the component wizard. By clicking on New, an empty template for your component is created. Select Edit to enter your specific descriptions. For all the descriptions, you have the opportunity to apply Markdown. This applies to all descriptions but the one-sentence description, which is used to describe your component in the overview across a number of components on the portal. Other than that, you can use Markdown to format your descriptions by employing enumerations, code formatting, and so on. All components are required to have a logo to represent them. Please follow the recommended size of 230 by 180 pixels, or at least follow this recommended aspect ratio. As an access URL, a good candidate is a link to a GitHub repository or wherever users may access your component. In order for the users to find your component on the portal, it is important to select the appropriate categories for the component. First, select the game engine, a target platform, a programming language, and applied computing concept that have been employed. Add some learning goals and in order to make the component visible in the list of components, select a component category. It is recommended to add at least 3 keywords. Now you can indicate versioning information and status of your version. And again, if this is an open source component, provide a place on the web where people can contribute. Also integrate information about the licensing, for example Apache 2.0 or other GPL or whatever applies to your component. Provide author information. You can add further detailed description, again using Markdown. Add a link to your documentation, which could very well be the wiki page of your GitHub repository. You can add additional files, like for example links to a YouTube video containing a demo of your component and any other resource you would like to add. You can now add some information on the coding style, architecture, and if you have applied software testing methodologies to indicate the kinds of quality controls that have been applied. If you would like to finally publish your component to the portal, make sure to check the Yes, do publish the component to the Rage portal. If you do not check this, the component will be stored in the backend repository but will not be visible on the front-end portal. Also, check the terms and conditions and go to the submission page. The submission page will present you with a nice overview of the metadata you have been entering, and you can check if you are happy. Finally, go to the Submit step, and after a few moments the component will be visible in the Rage portal. Now you can go back to the portal and it should be visible.